To the live session by Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. I am Misbah, your maths educator, and in this session we are going to talk about similarity of triangles and we'll be practicing questions on the basis of similarity of triangles. Are you guys ready? Welcome to the class, guys. Okay, so let's start with it, guys. We are going to do similarity criteria, similarity of triangles over here. So two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. So over here, suppose I've got two triangles over here. The first thing you need to understand the meaning of similarity. For example, I'm making two triangles over here. See, suppose this is ABC and this is PQR over here. So two similar triangles are there over here, guys. These are the two similar triangles which we are talking about. Correct? So meaning of similarity means they look like each other. Their shape is same. Their shape is same. Sizes can be different. So over here, triangle ABC and PQR, they are similar to each other because they are looking like each other, right? Their sizes might be different. So these two triangles are similar. If it is given over here, if angle A is equal to angle P, B is equal to Q, C is equal to R. If this is given and ratio of corresponding sides are equal, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Corresponding angles and ratio of corresponding sides are equal, then the triangles will be similar over here, right? So again I'm repeating, two figures are similar if they look like each other. They are of the same shape. Sizes can or cannot be different. Suppose in this case, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal and ratio of corresponding sides are equal, and suppose this ratio is equal to 1. Just suppose this ratio is equal to 1. So what will happen? You will see that AB is equal to PQ. Correct? BC is equal to QR, AC is equal to PR, correct? So you see over here, when ratio of corresponding sides is equal to 1, then corresponding sides are equal as well. So what it will happen? The triangles will be congruent. So basically congruency is a special case of similarity when the ratio of corresponding sides is equal to 1. Is there any doubt in that? Congruency is a special case of similarity when the ratio of corresponding sides is equal to 1. Now the question arises, the first thing is how do we write it actually? So ABC is similar to PQR over here. I hope it is clear. Once again I am repeating, congruency is a special case of similarity when the ratio of corresponding sides is equal to 1, because if you take the ratio of corresponding sides to be equal to 1, you will see that if you take AB by PQ is equal to 1, then AB is equal to AB is equal to PQ. In the same manner, if you take BC by QR is equal to 1, then BC is equal to QR over here. In the same manner, if you take AC by PR is equal to 1, then AC is equal to PR. So congruency is a special case of similarity when the ratio of corresponding sides is equal to 1. Now again I am repeating, two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the ratio of corresponding sides are equal, or you say that corresponding sides are proportional. So the question arises, do we need to prove every time all these things to be equal? Do we need to prove all the three pairs of angles to be equal and the three pairs of corresponding sides to be proportional? The answer to it is no. Every time you don't need to prove all of these things simultaneously. There are some similarity criteria, like you have studied congruency criteria, right? So basically you have studied these congruency criteria, guys. If you remember, I am just recalling it. You have studied the congruency criterion SAS, you have studied ASA and AAS, and then you have studied SSS, and then you have studied RHS. So these are the only congruency criteria which you have studied, and there is no other congruency criterion apart from this, because there is a proof to each of these congruency criterion except the first congruency criterion. This is an axiom. This is not a theorem. It is taken as obvious natural truth. It can be verified practically. Hi Shahida, welcome to this session. So this congruency criterion does not have any proof because it is an axiom. It is not a theorem. All other congruency criteria can be proved. They are theorems. And these are the only congruency criteria. There is no other congruency criterion. You cannot write as per your own wish. For example, AAA, if you will say AAA. I mean, many students I have seen that they make up congruency criterion as per their own wish. There is no congruency criterion like this. There is no congruency criterion called SSA. There is no congruency criterion called ASS. There is no other congruency criterion except these congruency criteria. In the same manner, there are some fixed similarity criteria as well, and there is no other similarity criteria apart from those similarity criteria. And those can be used only in questions. I'm not doing the proofs of those similarity criteria. I hope you understand that. We'll be doing questions instead of the proof of the similarity criteria, right? I hope it is okay with you. So these are the similarity criteria, guys. The first one is AAA similarity criterion, or you say double A, angle similarity criterion can also do. So you can call it triple A similarity criterion or angle. Foundation books you can do, Anshu Verma, you can do foundation material by Sri Chaitanya, or if you can go for question practice, you can do Pearson IIT JEE foundation books, Anshu Verma. Okay, now SAS similarity criterion is there and SSS similarity criterion is there. There is no other similarity criterion apart from this. You cannot cook up similarity criterion as per your own wish. You got that? Because these can be proved, and I'm not doing the proof of these similarity criteria. I hope you understand that. We'll be directly going to questions after this. Any doubt in this thing, guys? Is this clear, Anshu? कोई doubt है इसमें बताओ? मतलब if I'm explaining this thing, suppose I'm explaining the first one, AA similarity criterion. What does it mean? Suppose I have got two triangles over here. Suppose two triangles I'm taking, suppose PQR, and suppose this is ABC. If in these two triangles it is given that two angles are equal, this angle is equal to this angle and this is equal to this. If in these two triangles, two angles are given to be equal, if angle Q is equal to angle B and angle R is equal to angle C, then you can conclude that these triangles are similar. Then PQR is similar to ABC by AA similarity criterion. By AA similarity criterion, they will be similar, and if they are similar, ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. PQ by AB, QR by BC, PR by AC. So if two triangles are similar, then ratio of corresponding sides will also be equal. And you must remember that in triangles you used to write CPCT. You remember that in congruency you used to write CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Over here you will write CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. Corresponding parts of similar triangles. In congruency you write CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So these two triangles are similar by AA similarity criterion. Because two corresponding angles are equal, then obviously they are similar and ratio of corresponding sides will be equal as well. I hope this thing is clear. Okay, in the same manner you have got this thing, guys, the last one. If in two triangles the ratio of corresponding sides are given to be equal, then you will say that the triangles are similar by SSS similarity, that is side similarity criterion. And obviously if you have proved them to be similar, their corresponding angles will be equal as well. The reason being they are CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. I hope it is clear. Now the middle one over here is SAS. You understand this? SAS. For example, you have been given with two triangles over here. Suppose it is given like this, PQR and ABC. If suppose it is given to you, if suppose it is given that angle Q is equal to angle B and the ratio of included side, that is PQ by AB. You see, PQ by AB is equal to QR by BC. If it is given to you, you got that logic? One angle and the ratio of included side, this upon this is equal to this upon this. If it is given something like this, then the triangles will be similar. Then the triangles will be similar by SAS, side, angle, side. You see this thing, logic is side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. SAS, similarity criterion. And if they are similar, obviously you can say that ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. PQ by AB is equal to QR by BC is equal to PR by AC. And then corresponding angles will also be equal. P is equal to A and R is equal to C. I hope it is clear. That is CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. I hope this thing is clear to every student in this session. Let's move on to questions, guys. So again, I'm repeating once again, there is no other similarity criterion apart from this. That is AA similarity criterion or AAAC. If in two triangles, two angles are equal, automatically third angle will be equal using the angle sum property. So AA similarity criterion, SAS similarity criterion and SSS similarity criterion. There is no other similarity criterion apart from this. I hope this is clear. So let's move on, guys, and let's try doing questions on the basis of these properties. So try doing this one and let me know the answer, guys. So it is given over here that in this figure XY is parallel to QR. XY is parallel to QR. You see, this is parallel to this over here. And this thing is given in the question. You have to find the relation between XY and QR. XY and QR over here. Now over here, if these two lines are parallel, can I not say if this is X, this is also X, guys, corresponding angles? If this is Y, this is also Y, corresponding angles. Do you agree with me? So can I not say over here that triangle PXY is similar to triangle PQR over here? PXY is similar to PQR by AA similarity criterion. Can we say that? Because you see, this angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angles. This angle is equal to this angle, corresponding angles. So therefore, PXY is similar to PQR by AA similarity criterion. Now, if two triangles are similar by AA similarity criterion or by any other similarity criterion, the ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. So can I say XY by QR is equal to PX by PQ? Can I say that, guys? XY by QR over here, you see, XY upon QR, PX upon PQ. I hope that is clear. Now you see, PX upon PQ is not given in the question. Read it very properly. In the question, what is being given, guys? In the question, Px upon xq is given. That is equal to 1 by 2. So from here, can I not say that xq is nothing but equal to 2px? If I cross multiply that, xq is equal to 2px. I can say that very easily. So that is equal to px upon pq is what, guys? Px plus xq or not? I can write xp plus xq or not, guys? Do you agree with me? So that is px, and you see we have got this is px already. Xq we have got to be equal to 2px. I hope you understand that xq is equal to 2px over here. So this is 2px. So px upon 3px we have got over here, 3px, and this will be cancelled out, and that is equal to 1 by 3. I hope this thing is clear. So from here, if you further cross multiply, you see we have got xy upon qr is equal to 1 by 3. So can I not say that xy is equal to 1 by 3 qr over here? Xy is equal to 1 by 3 qr. So that is the result. I hope the question is clear to every student in this session. Any doubt in that, guys? Just confirm in the chat. Okay, so let's move on. Let's do the next question, guys. Can we try doing this one? If it is given that triangle ABC is similar to EDF and ABC is not similar to DEF, a very basic question on the basis of similarity, then which of the following is not true? You have to select that which is not true out of the given options. You don't have to select the true one. So you see it is given over here according to the name you have to work, right? It is given in this question that ABC is similar to EDF. So ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. AB by ED, that is equal to BC by DF, that is equal to AC by EF, correct? Corresponding parts of similar triangles. Can I write CPST? If the triangles are similar, then ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. So you see ABC is similar to EDF. So let us check it once again. AB by ED, BC by DF, AC by EF. That is correct. So you have to select out of the given option which one is not correct. So the first one over here is BC into EF. So you see if I cross multiply this BC into EF, what will I get? BC into EF is DF into AC. So you see AC into DF only. DF, this is DF only, right? So it means this option is correct only. But we have to choose the option which is not correct. What about the second option? AB into EF. So you see AB into EF, if we cross multiply, AB into EF is equal to ED into AC. So you see ED into AC, that is correct. DE is ED only. This one is also correct. What about the third option? BC into DE. If I cross multiply BC into DE, it will come AB into DF. But over here it is AB into EF. It means this option is not correct. I hope it is clear. Third option is not correct and we have to choose the option which is not correct only according to the question. So therefore option C is not correct over here. That you have to choose. Now let's verify the last option as well, although it is not being asked in the question. BC into DE. If I cross multiply BC into DE, that will be AB into DF. You see AB into FD or DF, it is same only. So option D is also correct. We have to choose the wrong option. So therefore option C is wrong and that will be the chosen option according to the question. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. Let's move on to the next question, guys. Okay. So in the given figure, if it is given that triangle ABC is similar to PQR, so we have to find the value of x. So can you tell me which one is correct out of the given options, guys? Which options to choose out of the given options? So it is given in the question that ABC, you see it is given that ABC is similar to PQR. Correct? Now ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles are equal. So can I say that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR? CPST, right? Corresponding parts of similar triangles. Now ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Let's put the values over here. What is AB in the question? AB is 6. What is PQ over here? PQ is 4.5. What is BC over here? BC is 4 over here. And what is QR? QR is x. So we have to find the value of x according to this question. So you don't need to write the third part over here, right? So let us find QR over here, the value of x. If you remove the decimal, 15 4s are 60, 15 3s are 45, right? Okay, so from here if you solve, x will come out to be equal to 3 centimeters. So that is the answer. I hope this is clear, or you can say QR is equal to 3 centimeter according to this question. Any doubt in this question, guys, to any student in this session? Just confirm that in the chat. It will be done, Shubham, it will be decided. You'll automatically get to know that. Please subscribe to the channel for the updates. I hope you understand that, Shubham. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Can we try doing this question over here? So it is given that M is equal to Okay, where is n? N, this one is n, guys. This point is n, okay? This point is n. So m is equal to n is equal to 46 degrees. You have to write x in terms of ABC, x in terms of ABC over here. So basically over here again it's a similarity question, guys, needless to say. You see, this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is common or not, tell me. So can I say over here that triangle PNK, can I say that PNK over here, let me rewrite it properly. Triangle PNK is similar to triangle LMK, right? Similar to LMK by AA similarity criterion. Can we say that? The reason being, you see, this angle is equal to this angle is given and this angle is common or not. Angle K is common in between the two triangles. So ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles are equal. So over here, can I not say, guys, that PN divided by LM, that is equal to KN divided by KM. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal, CPST over here. Now PN over here is what? That is X. LM over here is A. And that is equal to, what is CN over here? What is, sorry, I did a mistake. That will be KN, right? That is not CN, that is KN over here. That is KN. I hope that thing is clear, guys, to every student over here. Kn upon Km. So Kn is C, Km is B plus C. You see it properly, B plus C. So if I cross multiply, are we getting X is equal to AC upon B plus C? Is this clear to every student over here? Any doubt in the question? Because ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles are equal. Once again, I am saying, you see PNK is similar to LMK because this angle is equal to this angle is given. K is common. So they are similar by AA similarity criterion. Now ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles are equal. So can I say PN by LM is equal to KN by KM over here, KN by KM. Just put the values. PN is X over here, LM is A over here, Kn is C and Km is B plus C. If I cross multiply, X will come out to be equal to AC by B plus C and we have to write X in terms of ABC. So that is the answer over here. Is this thing clear to every student in this session? Okay, so let's move on to the next question, guys. Okay, so what about this, guys? So it is given in this question that AB and CD are the diagonals. Okay, AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC is given in this question. This thing is parallel to this is given. And diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O over here. And see, these values are given in this question. You have to find the value of X. That's it. So basically, can we use similarity of triangles again over here, guys? You see, if you see that this angle is equal to this angle or not, alternate interior angles, because it is given that AB is parallel to CD, and you see this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angles, because it is given that AB is parallel to CD. So can I not say over here that triangle AOB is similar to COD by AA similarity criterion? Can we say that AOB is similar to COD by AA similarity criterion over here? It's a direct question. Now you know that ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles are equal. So over here, can I not say that OA by OC, that is equal to OD by OB, OD by OB. We can say that ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles are equal. So just put the values and let's simplify. So OA over here is already given. OA is 3x minus 1. OC over here is 5x minus 3. That is 5x minus 3. OD over here is 6x minus 5. And OB over here is what? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. I hope this thing is clear up till here. Now you just have to cross multiply and simplify. Just cross multiply and check the values, you will get 6x square. If I am multiplying 6x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 1 over here, and that is equal to, if I cross multiply, you will get 5 6 are 30x square minus 25x over here, and then minus 6 3s are 18x plus 15. I hope you got it. So this is the situation over here. Now let's simplify this. You will get 6x square plus x minus 1, that is equal to, if I further simplify, this will give you 30x square minus 43x plus 15. I hope this thing is clear up till here. Okay, give me some seconds. Okay, so this is 15 over here, guys. This thing is 15, right? Now let's simplify. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve it on the next slide, guys. So this will be basically what? If I simplify further, this will be 24x square, right? So this will be 24x square, and if I take it on the other side, that is 44 minus 44x, and that is equal to 16, right? That is plus 16, that is equal to 0. I hope this thing is clear. So you have got a quadratic equation over here. Let us first simplify. Can I divide on both the sides by 4? So 4 6 are 24 over here, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So this is the situation over here, guys. Now we need to factorize the quadratic equation, the left hand side, the quadratic polynomial in the left hand side. So you see 6 4s are 24, right? So this can be breaked into 8 3s are 24. That's how you simplify and factorize quadratic equations. So can I not say this is 8 3s are 24? So minus 8x minus 3x plus 4 over here. So basically you have got two groups. This is the first group, this is the second group. Out of the first group, can I take 2x as common? So 3x minus 4 will be left. Out of the second group, you can take minus 1 as common. So again 3x minus 4 will be left. So that is equal to 0. Now over here you can once again take 3x minus 4 as common. So you will be left with 2x minus 1. So two possible values of x are there, guys. X is equal to 4 by 3 and 1 by 2. 4 by 3 and 1 by 2. Now the question is, are these both values correct? I mean, do we need to take both the values to be true? So let's check that. We have to take x is equal to 4 by 3 and x is equal to half. 4 by 3 and half, suppose I put it over here. Suppose I am putting x is equal to 4 by 3 over here. 4 by 3 I am putting over here. Okay, so that is giving positive value only, right? That is giving 3 2s are 6, positive value only. Suppose I am putting 4 by 3 over here. So 3 3 will get cancelled out. So this is also positive. Suppose I am putting 4 by 3 over here. 4 by 3 over here. So that is 5 4 is 20 minus 1. That is again positive. If I put 4 by 3 over here, that is also positive. It means I can take x is equal to 4 by 3. That is working. Now let's check about half as well. Is it working? If I take half over here, suppose I am putting x is equal to 1 by 2 over here only. What is happening? You see, this is 2 3s are 6, 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So you see, distance can never be negative. It means x is equal to half I cannot take. I have to neglect that value because distance can never be negative. So therefore x is equal to 4 by 3 is the correct answer over here. And we have to find only x only. Maybe some distance can also be asked. Suppose this can be asked, this can be asked, this can be asked, or this can be asked. I hope this is clear to every student in this session. So guys, that's all we needed to do on the Infinity Learn class 9 and 10 YouTube channel. If you have got any doubts or queries, please write in the comment section after the class. And you can also subscribe to the Telegram channel as well, so that you can get updates regarding sessions and you can practice some questions as well. And you can get the PDFs of these sessions. Bye bye guys, we'll meet in the next session. Take care everybody.